Today, I'm gonna show you how to make this adorable poppy craft. You and your kiddos are gonna love it. You know what to do. Grab the free template at craftinggenie.com, print it out, and cut out your pieces on the dotted lines. I've been wanting to make this craft for so long. Let's do it. Okay, so this says we're gonna staple to multiple sheets of red paper. So here we go. I'm gonna do, instead of multiple sheets, what I'm gonna do is take this one sheet and I'm going to fold it into fourths. Yeah, and the poppy just fits right, barely, but right on there. And then let's cut out 4 flowers at one time. And you know, flowers in nature are not perfect. We all know this. So these lines are really wobbly. You do not have to stick to the wobbly lines. And when you cut or your children cut, it does not have to be perfect. And here we go, just like that. Let's see how they look. Okay, we have one. Oh, they were folded, so they're stuck together. So let's just make that quick. But look, we got 4. Okay, that's a good lesson. Make sure you're cutting right up to the edge so that if you fold, they won't get all stuck together. But there we go, 4 poppies at one time. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and fast forward the video while we do I'm gonna do the same thing for the black center, and then I'll cut out the green stems. Okay, I'm actually gonna staple this one because of the accordion fold. It's popping up on me a little bit, so I want that to stay in place while I cut. Okay, we actually made 5 poppy stems. All right, let me get all the pieces here for one. Here we go. These are all the pieces for one craft. And let's just glue it together. I mean, this craft is so simple and so much fun. Just gonna put the center on. And there we go. There's our poppy. How simple was that? Let's make a few more. What I like about these stems is, yes, they all look exactly the same, but you can do it this way, you could flip it, and then you can also flip it this way, and then they look very different. Okay, here we go. Here's our adorable poppies. You can use these like for your bulletin boards. You can have children write on them or write their names. Poppies are just such a fun spring craft. And actually, they're my favorite flower when I see them out in the yard. Okay, I just thought of one more thing you could do. You could put your poppies on, you know, a piece of paper. And this way you could add a saying to it. You could just do one and make it a writing prompt. You could have a lot of fun with these poppies. All right, thanks for crafting with me. Have a great day.